Yep.
How the fuck did you want to cook
You
it?
gotta cook it right, though.
If you don't cook it right, you die.
Yeah.
How you gotta cook it, Mr. Fishman?
Don't know, because I don't eat it or catch it.
Dude, I've been thinking, oh my god, this guy's going the wrong way. What the fuck? This guy's so stupid. Look at my stream, dude. Oh my god, dude, is he gonna crash? Oh my god, dude. I don't think this game, like, is made to design to be run on ultra. Because when the trucks aren't close enough, they don't run really fast enough. And some of the trailers, if you're too far away, they look like they're, look like the wheels are missing. The trailers are floating.
Cook.
Alright, buddy. the correct fucking spot was when we drop it off at. You see Matrix? Matrix is like, you guys are nasty talking about that nasty shit while I'm eating.
Oh yeah, I love chocolate covered ants.
What?
Should I buy it?
Buy what?
American truck.
Yeah. I would say it's gonna be worth a big hit. How did you download it with WinRAR or what?
What are you laughing at?
Reddit and all that? Like where people put pictures of themselves on there and they say roast me? I'm about to put one on yours that I have Anne Frank on it and say roast me.
Don't do it.
Oh my god. Put it on Facebook. Yeah, no, it's not how it is. This is their fault. Roast me fans.
I can get American truck for $16. I might do it.
Yeah, well, do you have a steering wheel?
Yeah, it's a potato though.
Find something heavy to put on top of your steering wheel, your pedals, so it won't move. Like even if you have like a board or something that goes longer than the actual pedals, then get that board and put like some heavy books or something on the inside of it to balance it.
What'd you say? I wasn't listening.
Yeah, you would. Reeves Gaming, you would actually direct it towards the American Truck Simulator folder, just as you would for the mods.
Kurt, can we drive together or no?
Yeah, you can drive it in.
But can we have like the same job to drive to the same place or no?
Sometimes not. It doesn't always work out. It just depends on what level and what's available in the area.
Someone's supposed to pack their gear like another.
Well, website's done, but there's a little error.
What's the error now?
Look at it.
I work with HTML if that's what it's in. Or PHP or CSS, all that good shit. That annoying shit. Oh!
Yeah.
That's a CSS error. Check your, check the name of your CSS. Make sure that it's, linking correctly. Yeah.
The fuck?
That's all that is. Watch when I open it, I can check.
This is potato website. Looks like a potato dev.
Did I dev it? Alright, let's see here. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's any CSS. I'm on the F12 and I can't find the CSS, so try checking your CSS.
Do a potato do that?
The padding and all that.
How the fuck do you check that? Laugh all you fucking want.
No, I'm talking about this Anne Frank thing.
I'm doing this shit for a few days now trying to get to work.
Is it?
It's GoDaddy. It's through GoDaddy.
Oh god, okay.
Yeah, that's
let's
why I
see.
said.
Wait, do you have, can I see your main HTML page? Your .html?
Nate, you can give him access.
Like, to what, the site itself?
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
trust him enough?
Yeah, he was already on the Deddy earlier trying to fix the mods.
Alright. The information for the account so he can log in.
You give him the information, dude. You
Yeah,
have
I'm
it?
trying to find it. I'm trying to find it.
And if you don't trust me to do it, I can have it.
I'll do it. It'll be a lot fucking easier.
Yeah, it's not Nate's fault that he's a potato. I'm just messing with you, Nate.
What if Nate just like re-shouted out of it?
See, you're saying Nate's like a potato, but we already know that.
You also know that John eats a potato too. He's a kumquat and dick sucking potato.
I'm doing push-ups and if I get some
Alright, I get it.
I want to get this one. It's so fucking fun. Kirk, you're a troll. You're fucking
I'm a fucking troll.